Hello YouTube. Everybody knows that one stand for all position, like in 60-13, one stands for all position, and that knowledge would be easy to apply in an improvised electrode stinger like this drill chuck, because if you're welding in on site, it would be hard sometimes. There's gonna be an awkward position, so you're just gonna have to put it tight and you can bend it like that, all position. So it's easy with a chuck to do that knowledge, to apply that principles. Well, put that in a regular stinger, that if you purchase a brand new welding machine, it would be hard because it pops, it doesn't hold. So if you're in a fairly critical position, it's hard to maneuver your electrode. So this one is more practical and more useful in that kind of area.